Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you what I got my kids' teachers for Christmas. So I was thinking of a million different things, and with this year with COVID and all that stuff, I didn't want to get too many things per se. Like usually I like to do a couple of different things, but I wanted to kind of keep it simple this year, keep it affordable, but also give my kids' teachers some things that they would really like. And it's not just no offense to anyone that does this, but something like a mug with my kids' faces on it or something. I don't know if you'll actually do that, but I can imagine how many mugs and cups, and I should be quiet because I have cups over here. But things like that the teachers must accumulate over the years. It just must be out of control. But I'm gonna share and kind of talk to you while I put together their gifts and explain my thought process. And I also have a friend who is a teacher, and she gave me some other really good ideas that I figured I would share with you guys as well. So let me show you what I got. I got this set of the color changing cups. They sell it Starbucks, I think. I don't know, I don't go to Starbucks, but there is 5 cups in here. So I bought those, and then I got this set of these adorable, that's not gonna, I can't see it. These are just adorable little stickers. So they say nothing is impossible, if the word itself says impossible. There's 100 stickers, but I just pulled out ones that I thought would be good. Today is going to be a great day, and little things like that. So I'm going to put that, or one on each of the cups. So my son has 1 teacher. My daughter has 2 teachers, but at my daughter's school, she has 2 directors who are amazing. So I like to give them something as well. So I'm going to do 5 of these, and then I'm going to fill them with Hershey Kisses and also a Dunkin' Donuts gift card. I am trying to keep my eye out for some Lysol wipes, but I also was able to order little hand sanitizers. So I'm gonna put that on there as well, and then I'm going to, I already ordered them, but they won't be here till December 3rd or something, I think, but they're these really cute 2020 ornaments. So there's one has a roll of toilet paper on it, one says the year we were quarantined and things like that. So I have a set of those. So I'm gonna wrap everything up, and then on the gift bag I'm just gonna tie that on as a little decoration, but keeping it simple, nothing crazy. And I figured these kind of cups, they're not a big coffee cup, they're not going to a coffee mug or something like that, they're not going to take up too much space, and they are plastic, so they can use it to do a million different things. They can hold pencils on their desk or markers on their desk. If they don't want it as a cup, they could do something else with it. So that's what we're going to do. So let's open up all of this stuff. I actually, this is the second set I ordered because I ordered it and I took them out of the package just to inspect them before I put them together and did this video, and I love them. So we now have a set. So I think it was $16 for the set of 5 of these. So it ended up being, $2 and change per cup. $2.60, almost $3 I think per cup. But I think there was a coupon or whatever too. I like to kind of follow the things here. So the colors, because they're all different color cups. I guess we'll first put the stickers on. That would be good on that one. And these are just waterproof, not reusable. It's usually what I buy. Waterproof stickers. So I figured with all the extras, I could put some on my cup. My kids could each have a cup to put, and they can decorate it too. Oh, that's so cute. Just says, today is going to be a great day. That looks really cute. So that one's done. So yes, I'm going to fill these with these Hershey Kisses. And then I am going to put a gift certificate, a Dunkin' Donuts gift certificate inside each one. And then inside the bag, I'm hopefully going to find some more Clorox wipes. I have a couple, but I kind of want to keep those. So I'm hoping to do that, keep those for here. But I'm gonna put the gift card in here and then have the little ornament, which I'll tie around the gift bag, and hopefully they'll like those. But I figured, who doesn't like Hershey Kisses? I feel like that's one of those candies that literally everybody likes. Like, how do you not like just a plain Hershey Kiss? They're delicious. Look how cute that is. That is adorable. I don't know. I would like this as a gift if somebody gave that to me. A gift certificate, a cute little cup. Straw's not going in because I didn't. There we go. And they like snap on. They're like on there. So I feel like that would be a good gift, in my opinion. Hopefully they'll like it. Something with a little bit of thought, a little bit of creativity behind it, not expensive. So in talking with my friend, she also mentioned like personalized lunch bags. I personalized Yeti. She also mentioned gift cards to Teachers Pay Teachers. I guess it's a website that teachers can buy lesson plans, and they can buy like activities and things like that. The fact that they have to purchase these things is like crazy to me, that they have to purchase different lessons and different plans and activities, and all of that makes me so sad. But that's awesome. And then obviously everyone likes coffee, everyone likes caffeine, everyone likes Dunkin' Donuts, everybody likes Starbucks, things like that. So gift cards, Target. I feel like though if you give them like ones to Target, they just will go and buy your kids crayons and things like that. So I like to try to find things that like I know they will like. Obviously I'm not gonna send my first grader in with a bottle of wine and some wine glasses, but with, you know, this is small, easy for him to carry into school. My daughter, I can help her, I bring her into school, but you know, it will work. And that was it. Like, there's tons of ideas on, like, you could go to the dollar store and get little jars and do this same thing with some little candy and like a $5 gift card, and now you're at $7 instead of $20 a gift. You could do like something like that as well. I'm sure they appreciate anything, 1 cup of coffee, any little thing, but I just wanted to make something cute and also give you guys an idea of how you can make something a little special for your teachers. So the only thing I didn't factor in the price is these little stickers, because A, they were like $6, but B, I used 5 of them and I have all of these left over to do whatever with. My kids can decorate stuff. They're really cute, like motivational things. So I didn't factor that in. That was on me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this kind of gave you an idea of, like I said, you can do this in like any variation. You can do like little mason jars. You can do any different things like that. I know this isn't any like novel idea, but I just wanted to share what I'm doing and also some of the ideas that some friends gave me and different ideas that I've done in the past. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.